Shalini Poddar. I just got my ACL Reconstruction and meniscus surgery done by Dr. Dhiraj Marothi, and he did a fantastic job with the surgery. Talking about the hospital, the staff and the food, everything is excellent, and the structure is very good. You have a very clean hospital. The people come in, they check in you. You'll have a very good experience if you want to really get yourself treated here. And I had a good experience talking about the hospital and the staff. The staff is polite, hospital is very clean, and you'll have a good experience here. The food is on time, and you get 4 times a meal. You get hot water and coffee for the people who are staying with you. So it's a good overall experience. I really thank Dr. Marothi for getting me through this and doing a successful surgery. Thank you so much, doctor.